Hello, Mother Nature. These are some highlights from the 2 a.m. storm that happened on August the 12th, 2026. I put the new GoPro 12 out front on the tripod, looking straight ahead. My sleep score dropped because of that interruption, but look what I got. Based on the nature of this thunder, that must have been an incredibly long lightning bolt with many, many branches. This storm, which lasted about an hour, produced upwards of 50 easy to isolate lightning bolts in my big front yard. I'm facing 150 degrees southeast, and the storm is right about where Grant and Chesney live now, with Paisley. Right after I put the new GoPro out to record the storm on video, I also put the 13 in the window set on star trails. Much to my surprise, it actually did catch a lightning bolt or two, but it was much more disappointing than the GoPro set on video. It took me all day Tuesday to isolate every one of those lightning bolts, to figure out which one I thought would be the best, and to choose the thunders that I thought were the most relevant to this storm. The original MP4 file was 1.64 gigabytes and lasted an hour and 21 minutes with 30 frames per second. It took forever to upload the video into Movie Maker. Then I carefully skimmed through until I saw a flash, backed back up to right before the flash, cut, let it run to immediately after the flash, then cut. I took that short segment and multiplied times 0.125, reviewed that, and cut off any excess black space. I left 3 thunder rumbles in real-time video so you could see how long they lasted. In this presentation, the lightning started off being about 2 miles away, and by the end of the hour, it was about 6 or 7 miles away. So I'm here to tell you that putting a GoPro out there to record a storm is well worth the effort. The GoPro is waterproof, and as you can see, there are only a few times when a water drop interfered with my bolts. Lastly, here are some of my favorite captured video frames of lightning bolts from that storm at 2 a.m. on August 12th, 2026. There you go.